In this strategy, we're going to count the rows by tens and ones, then we'll count by ones in the row to get to the number. We'll mark it, and then we'll compare. We know from the problem that Mr. Janowski needs 10 bags from the store. He sees two boxes, one with 12 and one with 20. Let's find 12 on the hundreds chart first. We know the number 12 has one set of 10. We can count on from 10, 11, 12. Now we can mark 12 on the hundreds chart. Next, we'll need to locate 20. We know that 20 has two sets of 10, and since there are no ones, we can mark 20 on the hundreds chart. We need to determine if 12 or 20 is closer to 10. We can compare the amounts. We know from comparing these amounts that 12 is closer to 10, so Mr. Janowski should buy the box with 12 bags inside. Use the Action Dictionary to support students with the action of comparing for those who need that support. In the second strategy, we're going to place rods of 10 in each row by tens and ones. Then we'll place cubes by ones in the row until we get to the number. Then we'll mark, and we'll compare the amounts. Our first amount is 12, so we'll place one rod of 10, since we know that there is one 10 in the number 12, and then we'll put on the additional ones, 11, 12. Now we can mark the hundreds chart. Next, we'll use connecting cubes for 20. In the number 20, we know that there are two sets of 10, so we need two rods on our hundreds chart. Now we can mark our hundreds chart. Next, we'll need to compare these amounts. One way you could compare is to create one rod of 10. We can then compare the connecting cubes we used on our hundreds chart to see which group is closer to 10. We can see by comparing that 12 is much closer to 10 than 20. Mr. Janowski should buy the box with 12 bags inside.